Welcome to Qyrus Web Testing Demo. In this video, we will see how to use TestGenerator and TestGenerator Plus. TestGenerator is an AI-powered service designed to automatically create functional test scenarios by analyzing user descriptions, Jira tickets, Azure DevOps items, or Rallywork items. This service ensures that the specified requirements match the delivered functionality by generating comprehensive test scenarios. To start, click on Create Script. Then click on TestGenerator. TestGenerator can take input via user description or direct integration with a project management tool to generate test scripts from user stories. To add an integration, click on Select Integration. We will select Jira for this demo. Afterwards, select a configuration. Now provide the user story's issue ID. Now click on Submit. TestGenerator will take some time to generate the scripts. We can see the generated scripts here. Afterwards, click on Steps to view the generated steps for the script. We can click on Expand to see the step details. Click to expand. Click on Close to close the steps window. Select the script or scripts you want to have created, or select all the scenarios. Once the scenarios are selected, click on Export Scripts. The scripts have been generated and are in our test repository. TestGenerator Plus is a feature in Qyrus that allows users to list existing test scripts based on selected team, service, project, and suite. By leveraging AI, it can generate new test scripts from a selection of existing ones. Now let's check out TestGenerator Plus. This will look at your existing scripts and generate additional ones based off of what was chosen. Select your script or scripts, or select all scripts. Following that, click on Generate. It will take some time to generate. This varies based off of the number of scripts given for consideration. Click on the arrow to view the script details. View the script's objective, criticality level, and reasoning. Select the script or scripts to be generated. To conclude, click on Plus Add Scripts. Our AI-powered services, TestGenerator and TestGenerator Plus, help users automatically create functional test scenarios and enhance test coverage. Visit our website to learn more.